Hi you guys. So I thought today we would cook up or heat up our homemade convenience food, fast food, freezer food, um, taquitos. I got 2 taquitos and a taco. So I'm going to pop these in my toaster oven slash air fryer. I have the Cuisinart toaster oven, toaster, bake, air fry combination unit my husband got me for Christmas, not this year but the year before. So I'm going to set it at 300 and keep my eye on them, and then halfway through turn them over. And while I'm heating these up, I'm going to get some lettuce and salsa and cheese. So I'll be back. Okay, so I cooked them. That is smoking hot right there. It took a little bit longer to heat through to the potato than the taquitos. And then I thinly sliced some lettuce. This is, and some green onion. Some cheddar cheese. And this is how you can make your homemade fast food an actual meal. Hear my dog? If you guys didn't know, kennel cough is going around really bad. And even if they have their shots, they can get it. She's the only one that has it. And I'm assuming she probably got it from the demon dogs next door, because I'm betting they don't have their shots. But she's had that cough, so we took her to the vet yesterday, and he said that kennel cough is going around really bad. And here is some salsa. So this is my lunch, more like brunch. I didn't have any breakfast. So I have 2 taquitos and a potato taco. So I just thought I'd show you. I mean, you don't have to get them as brown as I do, but I like them crunchy. So, and you can do these in the oven, or you could microwave them. I don't think they'll get crunchy in the microwave, but yeah, I just threw them in the toaster oven and unloaded the dishwasher while they were heating up. So I thought I would show you the end result of our homemade convenience foods. And now I'm gonna go stuff my face. So I hope you all are doing well. It was 80 degrees yesterday and it's in the 40s today. It's freezing. So that's a drastic drop. So anyways, I will see you all soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.